Addiction is a relentless pursuit towards comfort at the expense of your own personal freedom. But you can turn this into your benefit. It's funny, but I found out this hack very recently. And whenever you fully dive into a topic, a habit, or a goal that you're really interested in, it gives you enough time to bond and get addicted to it. And that is really easy for things that don't require a lot of effort or a lot of time. And actually, this also counts for the hard parts in your life. The things that you actually don't really want to do, but you know that will fulfill you and give you a good result at the end of the day. You can get addicted to that as well. When I was a kid, I used to play a lot of Counter-Strike, and I achieved global elite, which is like the highest rank in what you can achieve in the game. And I realized that I was getting really good at it, or that I was really good at it. Not that because I was good at it, but because I was addicted. I searched everything about being a better shooter, tactic player, and all that comes with it. I dedicated my life to it, and I saw this pattern in everything. When I started training in the beginning, it really sucked, like weight training or just skill training or body weight training. When I started to work out or do some training, it really sucked at the beginning. You're not really where you want to be, and your body doesn't reflect what you want to do. So it's like you're not good enough to set the first step and start training. But the feeling of being stuck in life was just way too big to not wanting to change, or it was way above of the feeling of wanting to feel comfortable. And when you make that switch, that's mostly when the hardest part is already done. From there, you just have to focus on not giving up for a long period of time. And then you too, as I experienced, you will start to get addicted to it. Getting addicted to the habit of working out on a constant basis. You'll start to associate yourself with the guy or the girl that is always training. And from there, you basically don't have to stress anymore. You're on a good path, and you'll get in shape really quickly. But everything that you do at the beginning sucks ass. And it doesn't make sense to your brain why you're doing it in the first place. But you've done your research, and you know that that habit will give you fulfillment and success. You know for sure that the benefits are suited to you. So do the exact habit until you are addicted to it. At the start, it will not feel as an addiction at all. But all you have to do is just bite through it. Your body and mind always adapts to circumstances. All your habits at this very moment are very addictive. They form a part of who you are, and therefore you resonate with those habits, and it's a pure reflection of how you look and how you behave and who you are as a person. It's a pure reflection. If someone is into self-development and does specific habits each day, there is no other way for him or her to look exactly like a self-development person. Your mind will not be your friend from time to time, because your ego will start to deceive you or manipulate you into thinking that doing all this new stuff is really bad for you, because it changes who you are as a person, and you start to identify with things that you've never done in all those years. It damages your identity. Therefore, your ego will try to limit yourself into staying in the person that you are right now. And when you break through that, you'll get excited and you'll be rewarded. So mostly getting in shape or chasing any other goal, it just comes down to how much you're willing to change your habits and stick to it. And at the end of the day, it's a numbers game, as in counting your calories that you have to stay under or hit. If you do that daily, there is no other way for you to not lose the fat or gain the muscle. And when you get to choose your addictions, you become unstoppable. You'll get what you want in any way or form. So I advise you to take this key or this hack seriously. And the best way to do it is to do it yourself, and that's going to be it. If you want to know how I live and any tips and tricks on how to get a better mindset and build the dream physique that you always wanted, then follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description. And if you're really serious, you can apply for a one-on-one coaching to build and achieve your dream physique and a bulletproof mindset without the gym or without giving up your favorite foods in 90 days or less. Link will also be in the description to schedule a call with me. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was valuable to you. Bye bye.